Okay, so today we are going to go ahead and set up the CryoMill to a liquid nitrogen dewar using the safety connection hose that is purchased with the unit. Once the CryoMill is set up at the operating space in the lab, we'll want to go ahead and open our connection hose box and go through each of the components that are provided for the connection hose. As you'll see, the first item here is the actual hosing itself. The hosing itself should come with all connections required to connect not only the safety relief valve, but also the connection to the actual liquid nitrogen tank itself. Okay, so once the bubble wrapping has been removed from the safety relief valve, this is what the component looks like. On this end, you'll see a connection, a male connection here. On the opposing side, you will see the female connection. This connection here will be the piece that you actually connect to your liquid nitrogen tank. Just pop this protective cap off, and then we can go ahead and connect it right to the flow valve on the LN2 dewar. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and connect the overflow or the relief valve to the LN2 tank. It is important on the LN2 tank that you get from your air gas supplier that for use with the CryoMill that it does have a safety relief valve on it or a low pressure valve on it where it's limiting the PSI buildup of the tank. So here we have a 1.25 PSI regulator valve here. Here on the actual pressure setting, you can see it's almost down to its lowest setting. So you definitely don't want to operate the unit at a high pressure setting. Over on the other side of the unit is actually where we are going to be connecting the safety relief valve right to this liquid valve outlet connection. All right, so now what we're going to do is connect the connection hose to the safety relief valve that we placed onto the LN2 tank. Again, just to reiterate that the safety regulation is on the back of the unit as well, as far as a 1.5 bar maximum pressure coming in from the LN2 tank. So please be sure that your air gas supplier has outfitted the LN2 tank with the appropriate regulator. Now we'll put on the adapter for the CryoMill in order to connect the actual connection hose. Okay, so now that we've connected the adapter to the back of the unit, again, shooting this video from the back of the unit view, just to make it a little bit clearer and easy as far as what items to insert. After you connect the adapter, next we'll go ahead and put the connection hose onto the back and then connect that to the relief valve that we installed on the LN2 dewar. Okay, so once everything is connected, again, we have the male end of the safety relief valve connected to your outlet valve on the liquid portion of your LN2 tank, your safety relief valve then going to your connection hose coming down to this reducing fitting here that's also mounted into the CryoMill. So at this point, when you're all connected, ready to go, load up your sample, enter your parameters, and certainly don't forget to turn the actual liquid nitrogen valve flow on. Hope this has been helpful, and please contact us if you did not receive any of these components with your connection tube fitting. Please try to send us some pictures. We want to make sure everything gets to you correctly. Again, we try to deliver everything appropriately to make for an easy install, and just let us know if you run into any questions or issues. Thanks so much. Bye.